My name's Charlie and I'm 6 years old and I had the mitrofanoff operation 5 months ago and today I'm going to show you how I wean. Right, so I'm just taking my stopper out and we don't actually need the stopper, but I'm nearly not having the dressing and the plaster. I mean stopper. But we will have that to start just keeping my hole open. You can see a little hole like that, and I'm getting my catheter right now. So that's already been opened. We take the catheter out, put it in the bin, and we grab this gel, which helps it be easier to get in the hole. We dip it in the gel, take the straw out, put it right here, then in the catheter goes. So we have to go in very far, and there's a bit called the bladder wall that might be sore to you if you had this up then, but don't worry. The best thing to do is get over and done with. Here comes out the wing. And I know it's a bit gunky, but it's supposed to be gunky. Anyway, we should get more weave in that. And when the wee stops, don't worry about a bit of drips. If there's drips, you can still go in a bit. Anyway, the wee's still coming out. I think it was having a moment right now. And we just comes out, but waiting it to stop. And sometimes I have to have a conversation with this wee in the middle when it's coming out. And I say, hey wee, you need to stop. Anyway, right. We definitely need to stop. Right, now it's stopped. Oh. And see, now I got through the bit that's called the bladder wall. And I'm nearly there because I just have to go this much far in. Right, now I'm taking it out very slowly in case some wee comes out. And if you're coming out, same as going in, if there's bubbles, if there's just a few drips, then here we go. And it's out. And I pass it to my grown-up. And we wipe it with a bit of tissue just to get the gel off and make my hole a bit clean. Drop it in the toilet, put my stopper in. Now this is the quickest way to do it. Oh wait, we need a bit of tissue for my finger. Put that in. Now I don't have to do it with one hand, it's just if you got a tissue in your hand and you need to wipe your finger. And now pull It's up. No. Oh yeah. Bye.